Hey there, fellow learners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into some essential business English vocabulary that will help you shine in meetings and at your job. Distraction. Our first word is distraction. In a professional setting, a distraction is anything that takes your attention away from your work or task. It's crucial to stay focused to maximize productivity. Example 1, meeting scenario. Imagine you're in a crucial meeting and your phone keeps buzzing with notifications. These distractions can disrupt the flow of the meeting and hinder your team's progress. Manageable. Next up, we have manageable. In a business context, if something is manageable, it means it's possible to handle or control. It's all about finding solutions and not feeling overwhelmed. Example 2, workload. When you're handed a challenging project, it might seem daunting at first. However, breaking it into smaller, manageable tasks can make it less overwhelming and more achievable. Productive. Now, let's talk about productive. Being productive means making the most of your time and resources to accomplish your goals efficiently. Example 3, team performance. In a team, if everyone is focused and working together efficiently, it leads to a highly productive work environment, which is essential for any business's success. Prioritize. Prioritize is our next word. It means to determine the order of importance or urgency for tasks or responsibilities. Example 4, time management. Effective time management is all about prioritizing your daily tasks. Start with the most critical ones, like meeting deadlines or addressing urgent issues. Task. Now, let's discuss task. A task is a specific piece of work that needs to be completed as part of a job or project. Example 5, project management. In project management, you'll often create a list of tasks for your team members. Each task contributes to the overall project's success. Setback. Lastly, we have setback. A setback is an unexpected problem or obstacle that can slow down progress. Example 6, business expansion. Even the most successful businesses face setbacks. It could be a market downturn or a logistical issue, but how they handle and overcome these setbacks defines their resilience. And there you have it, our business English vocabulary words for today. Remember, mastering these words can help you navigate the corporate world with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep learning.